चल चलिए is class 12th biology group 2021-22 myself BB Yadav. Yesterday we have discussed about the pollen pistil interaction. There are certain means similar species of the pollen grains that are transferred from anther to stigma performed to pollination. If there are some devices such like if the pistil is early mature and pollen is discharged after the maturation of the pistil, there is no pollination takes place. And second is the anther and stigma, both are away from each other, then also pollination is impossible. In this way, there are so many devices which play important role in pollination of the pollen grain. Today our topic is the pollen pistil interaction means double fertilization in flowering plants. First of all, transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma. From anther to stigma, that is known as pollination. After pollination, the pollen grain lands on the stigma of the flowers and absorb some nutrients such like the carbohydrates, sugars molecules, and they become swell up. And the pollen grains have two layers, outer is exine and internal is intine. And pollen grain also contain two kinds of the cells. One is the vegetative cells and second is the generative cells. Generative cells that divide by mitosis division and form two male gametes. And intine layer, this is the intine layer of the pollen grain. Intine layer protrude in the form of pollen tube. Protrude means उभर जाती है. Intine layer एक ट्यूब के रूप में उभर जाती है, प्रोट्रूड हो जाती है और form as a cylinder structure known as the pollen tube. This is the pollen tube. And content of the pollen that carry with the pollen tubes means there are two male gametes. Some pollens are the two-celled stage, means one is generative and second is the vegetative. But after the meiosis, the generative cells divide into two male gametes. In this way, that become three-celled stage of the pollen grain. Both male gametes, this is the male gamete, and carry with the pollen tubes towards the micropylar region of the ovules. Means micropylar region of the ovules, and inside the ovule as a particular structure that is known as embryo sac. Inside the embryo sac, in chalazial region, there are three kinds of the cells. Three cells, 1, 2, 3. This is known as antipodal cells. And in central cell, middle portion, there are two polar nuclei. This is the two polar nuclei. And as a micropylar region, there are three cells, 1, 2, 3. One is the egg cell and two is the synergids. And as a particular structure, this is known as filiform apparatus has a outgrowth type structure that is appear inside the embryo sac that is known as filiform apparatus. This filiform apparatus play important role in insertion of the pollen tube inside the synergids. Means both male gametes, this is the both male gametes that discharge into the synergids. One male gamete fused to egg cells for zygote, and second is the second male gamete fused to polar nuclei. ये एक दो तीन तीन न्यूक्लियस आपस में फ्यूज होकर के ये बना देते हैं इंडोस्पर्म. This is the PN primary endosperm nucleus that finally transforms into endosperm. This is the endosperm. Endosperm. This endosperm provides nourishment to the developing embryo. In this way, one male gamete fused to egg cell that is known as syngamy, and second is the second male gamete fused to polar nuclei. This is known as triple fusion. Syngamy and triple fusion come only together, known as double fertilization in flowering plants. And this incident was discovered by Noasin in 1898. In this process, there is two times fertilization takes place. One is the true fertilization, means one male gamete fused to egg cell. This is known as syngamy, and second is the second male gamete fused to polar nuclei. इसमें तीन न्यूक्लियस fused to each other and form PEN, primary endosperm nucleus. This primary endosperm nucleus finally transforms into endosperm. Endosperm provide nourishment to the developing embryo. This embryo develop into seed, and after germination seed produce plant. In this way, the whole process means syngamy and triple fusion come only together, known as double fertilization, or this double fertilization accident is discovered by Noasin in 1898. And the ovule of this type, this ovule is known as anatropous ovules, and it is the outer and inner integuments. Outer and inner integument. This is after fertilization, outer and integument develop into seed coat, ovary develop into fruit, एंटीपोडल सेल डीजेनरेट मीन्स नष्ट हो जाती हैं, एंड synergids also degenerates. In this way, the fruit and seed formation takes place through the double fertilization. Thank you.